Which experiment we are doing? Underwater volcano.
Underwater volcano experiment.
Okay, so add 10 ml of water. Don't touch this. Add it. Now we will add 2 drops of red color. 1, 2. Now stir it. Now add half scoop of baking soda.
Half scoop of baking soda.
Now add 20 ml of vegetable oil. Add. Now slowly add half scoop of citric acid. Slowly. See bubble Namit, see.